Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily convert an HTML file into a PDF using iLovePDF.com. It's fast, free, beginner friendly. Let's get right into it. Alright, now to create this, we shall do it in two simple steps. The first step is to prepare your HTML file. First, make sure that you have your HTML file ready. This could be a web page you've created, or an HTML file saved on your computer, or a live link of your web page. So now this is what we are going to do. You go and select, we shall use a live web page. So go to iLovePDF.com, select the HTML to PDF converter. You click on add HTML, provide a link or paste it in. For example, we shall go with google.com. Then you click convert, then the tool will process. The HTML website will be converted. Click on download and then save the file or your PDF document converted to your folder on your computer. So let's try opening it and see. There you go. That's your PDF. So let's also try saving this page for keyword research I was making. This is a website of keywords.io. So here we go. Let's get the link, paste it in, and then we follow the same process like we did on Google. That was step 2. This is optional. You have two other ways to do this. You can use extensions or an online converter tool. For example, an extension would be save as PDF, and online converter tool, say webtoolpdfconverter.com. So this is how we shall do it. Let's first go for the extension. Go to Chrome Web Store, search for the extension called Save as PDF, add it to your browser by clicking Add to Chrome. Click on the pin to make it appear on your browser. Open a page you would want to save as PDF, for example, my own blog website, induro.com. Click on the convert this page to PDF and then click on open PDF. So you can also click download PDF, then save it to your device. So another option is to go to a tool called webtoolpdfconvert.com. So paste or add a link you want to convert, then press the convert circle button. It will convert. When converted, then download the PDF document. And that's a super simple way to convert HTML to PDF and take it further with iLovePDF. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.